Good day, girls. I am sure you all are ready with pen, pencil, Maths 1 notebook, and the textbook. All are requested to listen carefully and peacefully. Also, concentrate on the screen. In previous class, we solved exercise 5.3. Now I am sure you are able to write sample space, sample points, events, and event points. In this class, we shall find the probability of given event using formula P of E is equal to N of E upon N of S, which we have learnt in part 3. Let us solve exercise 5.4. Girls, open your textbook, page number 125. In this exercise, some experiments and events are given and asked to find the probability. Pause the video when necessary and read the question from the textbook. Now let us look at the first question. Here experiment is 2 coins are tossed. Also 2 events are given and asked to find the probability. Let us write the sample space for 2 coins, which we have learnt in part 2. Therefore, S is equal to HHHT, TH, TT. N of S is equal to 4. Let us move to events. Denote the events by A, B. First one, A, getting at least one head. Write the points in set A having one or more H. Thus, we get N of A is equal to 3. Let us write the formula to find the probability of event A. P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. Place the values of N of A and N of S. We get P of A is equal to 3 upon 4. Second event, B, no head. Set B does not contain points having H. Therefore, B is equal to TT. N of B is equal to 1. Substitute the values of N of B and N of S. In the formula, P of B is equal to N of B upon N of S. Therefore, we get P of A is equal to 1 upon 4. Girls, read the second question. Here 2 dice are rolled. Write the sample space for 2 dice as shown. Thus, N of S is equal to 36. First event, A, sum of digits on upper faces is at least 10. The highest digits are 6, 6 and the greatest sum is 12. Write the points in event A having sum 10, 11 or 12. Thus, we get N of A is equal to 6. P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. Substitute the values 6 upon 36. Reduce it to lowest form. We get P of A is equal to 1 upon 6. Next event, B, sum of digits on upper faces is 33. As we know, the maximum sum is 12. Therefore, set B contains no element. that is set B is an empty set. Therefore, n of B is equal to 0. Write the formula to find the probability of event B. P of B is equal to n of B upon n of S. Substitute the values 0 upon 36, which is equal to 0. Third event C. Digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. Girls, look at the sample space. In each point there are 2 digits. Now we will write the points in which first digit is greater than the second digit. Thus we get the set C. N of C is equal to 15. We'll find the probability of event C. Write the formula. P of C is equal to N of C upon N of S. Put the values of N of C and N of S. We get 15 upon 36. Reduce it to lowest form. We get P of C is equal to 5 upon 12. Girls, read the third question from your textbook. There are 15 tickets. Therefore, sample space S is equal to natural numbers from 1 to 15. Thus, N of S is equal to 15. First event A. Ticket drawn bears an even number. So write the even numbers from the sample space in set A. And we get N of A is equal to 7. Now let us calculate the probability of event A. P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. Place the values of N of A and N of S. We get P of A is equal to 7 upon 15. Next event B. Ticket drawn bears a number which is a multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 means the number should be from table of 5. Thus we get B is equal to 5, 10, 15 and N of B is equal to 3. Write the formula to find the probability of event B. P of B is equal to N of B upon N of S. Substitute the values. We get P of B is equal to 3 upon 15. Reduce it to lowest form. We get P of B is equal to 1 upon 5. Children, solve fourth sum on your own. Now let us move to last question. Kindly read it. Here it is given a pack of cards. We know that a pack of cards contains 52 cards. Therefore, N of S is equal to 52. Now here first event is card drawn is an ace. As we know, there is one ace in each category. Therefore, N of A is equal to 4. Write the formula to find the probability of event A. P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. Substitute the values of N of A and N of S. We get 4 upon 52. Thus, P of A is equal to 1 upon 13. Next event B. The card drawn is a spade. There are 13 spade cards. Any one of them can be drawn. Therefore, n of b is equal to 13. Write the formula to find the probability of event B. P of B is equal to n of B upon n of S. Place the values of n of B upon n of S. We get P of B is equal to 13 upon 52. Reduce it to lowest form, we get P of B is equal to 1 upon 4. Girls, copy these solutions in your notebook. Try to solve sums from problem set. Practice more sums from the books available to you. Will clear your doubts when school reopens. Hope we'll meet soon. Thank you, girls. Take care.